y'all, Nikia Lindsay here. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're old faithful, thank you for tuning back into your girl. Today I am bringing you this glam makeup look, y'all. 2025, please let us bring back colorful makeup looks. Okay, I know y'all tired of the warm brown smokies, the natural soft glams. Like, just bring some color back into your life. Okay, like, bring some color back. Color is fun. Okay, so I'm just bringing y'all this glam look. I ain't going nowhere. I just wanted to do some makeup, do a little makeup therapy for you guys. So get into it. I hope you all enjoy, and let's get into the look. Guys, long time no see, long time no speak. What's good? What's happening? I haven't done my makeup in a very long time, and I haven't recorded it for y'all, so let's go ahead and just do some random glam because we ain't going nowhere, but we just want to get cute. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start off by moisturizing my skin. Hopefully y'all can see this. Hopefully the light is, you know, doing what it got to do. I'm going in with my MAC Hyper Real Serumizer Skin Balance. I just like this because it hydrates the skin, and then it also gives like a little bit of a glow to the skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and just press that in. Let's go ahead and get started. I don't know what type of look we are going for, so I called one of my friends and I was like, yo girl, give me a color, give me something that I can do. So she was like, yo, do like a hunter money green type of look. And I'm like, say less. So I have these looks saved from Pinterest. So this is one look, hopefully y'all can see. And then I saved another look, which is this. So it's either this or this is giving, okay? So I'm trying to intertwine both of them or like make something my own. I'm not too sure, but this look, this dramatic look is eating the girls up. So I don't know. I kind of like it. Like a talk through type of look. I'm just gonna go ahead and just roll the camera, get in my zone, watch a little bit of Love is Blind, and y'all just gonna watch me do makeup, like a little bit of a makeup therapy session, because if I talk through it, it's gonna be too much. But I'll definitely keep showing y'all the products and everything. So let's get to it.
Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the door, ready to make an entrance, so back on up. Before I have to pull the strap out the cut, give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble. Compton and Long Beach together, now you know you in trouble, cause ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Two low down G, so we crazy. Death Row is the label that pays me. Unfadable, so please don't try to fake this. But back to the lecture at hand. Perfection is perfected, so I'm a lad, I'm understand from a young G's perspective. And before me dig out a trick, I have to find a contraceptive. You never know, she could be earning her man and learning her man, and at the same time burning her man. Now if she burning, I'ma chill for a minute, cause ain't no loving good enough to get burned while I'm offended. Yeah, and that's realer than real deal, Holyfield. And now you hookers and hoes know how I feel. Well, if it's good enough to get broke off a proper chunk, I take a small piece of some of that funky stuff. It's like this and like that and like this, and it's like that and like this and like that, and it's like this and like that and like this, and Drake creep to the mic like a fan. Well, I'm peeping and I'm creeping and I'm creeping, but I damn near got killed, cause my beeper kept beeping. Now it's time for me to make my impression felt. So sit back, relax, and strap on your seatbelt. You've never been on a ride like this before, with a producer who can rap and control the maestro. At the same time, with the dope rhyme that I kick, you know and I know I flow some more funky shit to add to my collection. The selection symbolizes dope. Take a toke, but don't choke. If you do, you have no clue of what me and my homie Snoop Dogg came to do. It's like this and like that and like this, and it's like that and like this and like that, and
Okay guys, so this is the eyes. This is what I came up with. It's cute, right? I'm gonna smoke the bottom with that really dark green as well, and I think it came out good. I think doing the face and everything, it's gonna really tie everything together. So let's go ahead and get into the face.
It's like this, and we ain't got love for those. So just chill till the next episode. Falling back on that ass with a hellified gangster lane. Getting funky on the mic like an old batch of collard greens. It's the capital S, O, yes, oppression, double OP. D-O double G, Y, D-O double G, you see. Showing much flex when it's time to wreck a mic. Pimping hoes and clacking a grip like my name was Dolomite. Yeah, Antidote quit. I think they in the mood for another one of those G hits. So Trey, what up, dog? We gotta give them what they want. What's that, G? We gotta break them off something. Hell yeah. And it's gotta be bumping. City of Compton. It's where it takes place, so a national attention. Mobbing with the dog pound. Oh, wow, wow. Dropping the funky tracks that's making the circus just a mumble. When I'm on the mic, it's like a cookie, they all crumble. Try to get close and you're bound to get smacked. My little homie Snoop Doggy's got my back. Never let me slip, cause if I slip, then I'm slipping. But if I got my Nina, then you know I'm straight tripping. And I'ma continue to put the rap down, put the Mac down. And if your woman wanna trip, I have to put the smack down. Yeah, and you don't stop. I told you I'm just like a clock when I tick and I talk. But I'm never off, always on till the break of dawn. See you T-O-N in the city they call Long Beach. Putting it straight together like my homie D.O.C. No one can do it better like this, that, and this, and it's like that, and like this, and like that, and it's like this. Then we ain't got no love for those. So just chill till the next episode.
Hey, hey, yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that is the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement? How many nights I've been woke? Swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
Hey, yo, I got one lawyer, got one, and that is the only two. Man, how many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke?
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I think she came out really cute. It's a really good mix of the two looks that I had screenshotted. Not really a cut crease, but just more of a blown out cat eye. I did do like a double underline wing. This is the final look, you guys. What do we think? Did we enjoy this makeup therapy video? I hope you all did. Let me know down below what you think. Drop any suggestions, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I'm trying to bring back the makeup looks. I say that every time, but I'm trying to be for real. Follow me on all my social media sites. They'll be listed down below. Join the community, join the fam. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think of this look, like this money green, hunter green. She giving, right? She giving. Also, I don't know if I want to leave this lip matte or if I want to put a gloss on top. I'm gonna put a gloss. Let me put a gloss and then like I'm gonna come back to y'all because y'all need to see this lip in a gloss. Y'all, this is the lip in a gloss and I love it. Okay. Eating the girls up. Eating the girls up. Eating them up. All right, y'all. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think down below. And until next video.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she